Hello student, how are you? All are good na? Okay, let's start our sixth chapter, Food We Eat. This video is for class 3 students. Students, हम अभी चैप्टर 5 को अभी नहीं कर रहे हैं, अभी चैप्टर 6 को पढ़ेंगे. चैप्टर 5 को हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. Today topic is one of my favorites and I guess yours too. The chapter is Food We Eat. Okay, just have a look at this picture and answer one simple question. Right? What are you all do when you feel tired? जब आप लोग अगर टायर्ड फील करेंगे, थकावट फील करेंगे, तो आप क्या करेंगे? थिंक अबाउट द आंसर. यस, यू गॉट इट राइट. वी ईट. व्हाट डू वी ईट? वी ईट फूड, है ना? What is food now? Food is something that we eat or drink to stay alive. Do you know? After air and water, food is most important thing that we all need to survive. जिस तरह से पानी और हवा हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, उसी लिए हमें जीने के लिए खाना भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. All the living beings need food. Plants, animals, human beings, they need food to stay alive, to grow, and to get energy. Now, how do we get energy from food? Food contains nutrients that nourish our body. The nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, fats. In the previous lesson, you learnt about plants. पिछले लेसन में हमने प्लांट्स के बारे में पढ़ा है. That the plants make their food and the process called photosynthesis. प्लांट्स जो अपना खाना बनाते हैं, उस प्रक्रिया को क्या कहा जाता है? फोटोसिंथेसिस. द एनिमल्स डिपेंड्स ऑन अदर प्लांट्स, लीव्स, ग्रास, फ्लैश ऑफ अदर एनिमल्स फॉर देयर फूड. ह्यूमन बींग्स कुक देयर ओन फूड और दे ईट द फूड इन द रॉ स्टेट. Why do human beings need food? First and important things, we cannot survive without food. We need food to stay alive. There we need food to get energy. To get energy, we can grow, we can work, we can play and do many other activities. Think, we need food to obtain nutrients. As I just told you, food have a lot of nutrients such as vitamin, minerals. So we get all the nutrients that nourish of our body from food. Students, we need food to develop a very healthy and active body along with their body. Food also provides energy or thinking capability to our mind. फूड से हमें क्या मिलता है? एनर्जी मिलता है, सोचने की शक्ति हमको प्रदान होती है. कहाँ से? फूड से. वी कैन नॉट थिंक एनीथिंग एम्प्टी स्टमक, राइट? खाली पेट हम कुछ भी सोच सकते हैं क्या? नहीं, क्योंकि जब हमें भूख लगती है, हमारा पेट खाली रहता है, तो हमें कुछ भी हम सोच नहीं सकते उस समय, क्योंकि हमें बहुत भूख लगती रहती है, तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि कितने जल्दी हम कुछ खा लें. वी नीड फूड टू रिपेयर आवर बॉडी. चिल्ड्रन, व्हेन यू फॉल सिक, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू गॉट अ फीवर, अगर आपको बुखार आएगा तो व्हाट हेल्प्स टू यू रिकवर? फिर आप कैसे रिकवर करेंगे अपने आप को? अ हेल्दी डाइट. हेल्दी फूड हेल्प्स यू to recover from that illness. So food are very important to fight against disease. है ना? Okay, children. You might have noticed one thing. People eat different types of foods. This depends upon their choice और taste. हम लोग सभी अलग अलग टाइप का खाना खाना पसंद करते हैं. हर किसी की अपनी पसंद होती है. अलग अलग स्टेट में अलग अलग तरह के व्यंजन बनाए जाते हैं. ये आप सब अच्छे से जानते हैं, है ना? Like their culture, what is commonly available around their likes and dislikes, their age, all these factor influence the choice of food. You also can't eat the same types of food every day. क्या आप एक ही तरह का खाना डेली खा सकते हो? नहीं ना, बोर लग जाएगा डेली एक ही टाइप का खाना, वही दाल चावल रोटी. कभी हमको नूडल्स अच्छे लग जाते हैं, कभी मैगी अच्छी लग जाती है, कभी इडली डोसा अच्छा लगता है ना. एवरी डे हमको अलग अलग खाना खाना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Sometimes if you don't want to eat something which is served in your plate, your parents still ask you to finish everything. Eat everything which has served in your plate. हमको खाना पसंद भी नहीं आता, बट हमारे जो पेरेंट्स हैं, हमारी मम्मी पापा है, ये हमें ज़बरदस्ती खाना खिला ही देते हैं, है ना? We can classify foods into 3 categories. These are energy giving foods, body building foods, and protective foods. Energy giving food, as the name suggests, they provide you energy. Food like wheat, bread, potato, oil, chapati, these are energy giving foods. Then body building food, they had to build your body, especially in your growing, in which you are right now. Foods like pulses, cheese, eggs, milk, nuts, fish, they are body building foods. Then protective foods, as we just discussed right now. We need a very healthy diet, healthy food, fight against disease. So the protective foods helps you to fight against these disease. Fruits, salads, and other vegetables come under this category. Example are papaya, onion, carrot, lemon, mango, spinach. So these types of foods helps you to fight against disease and develop your immunity. Now you can have look at this chart. It includes all the things that energy giving foods, a butter, cream, oil, nuts, body building foods include lot of protein, meat, egg, chicken, cheese, milk. So these foods are rich in protein. Then protective foods, the fruits, salads, and other vegetables which usually can have a raw state. These all are protective foods. These are some examples of what type of foods include fats and carbohydrates. See this picture. Here is rice, bread, chapati, potato, bananas. These all foods are very rich in carbohydrates. And ghee, butter, and other dairy products, they are rich in fats. So children, I hope you understand this lesson very well, and exercise of this lesson will soon upload in school website. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.